What's the meaning of brown? Brown. Brown.
Brown. Brown. The word brown refers to a color that is typically associated with earthiness, warmth, and naturalness. It is a shade of color that is created by mixing red, yellow, and black together. Brown can be found in various natural elements such as wood, soil, and rocks. This color is often used in fashion, home decor, and branding due to its comforting and grounded nature. In addition, brown can signify reliability, wholesomeness, and dependability. Overall, the color brown evokes feelings of warmth, stability, and connectedness to the natural world.